Agentic AI is poised to revolutionize engineering and manufacturing. But today's implementations are hamstrung by critical risks, hallucinated specifications, unvalidated planning loops, and agents trapped in operational silos due to legacy systems and fragmented tools. Without structured orchestration, complex workflows break, leading to costly rework cycles and wasted compute. Introducing AgenticIQ by LTTS, an enterprise-grade agentic AI platform built to orchestrate, manage, and optimize autonomous workflows across the entire product lifecycle. It seamlessly bridges open source and proprietary LLMs with enterprise systems, turning isolated tools into a synchronized, intelligent force. AgenticIQ delivers a robust set of features for end-to-end control over your intelligent ecosystem. Workflow provides no-code, low-code visual environment to orchestrate agents, tools, and knowledge bases into scalable, automated workflows. The Skills feature allows users to create and package reusable capabilities that can be invoked by agents to perform specialized tasks, while connectors primarily provide access to external systems and data. Skills define how work is performed by the agent. Connectors securely link agents with enterprise applications, databases, repositories, and third-party services, enabling real-time data access and action across systems. Trigger automatically launch workflows at scheduled times, recurring intervals, or one-time events, keeping processes running independently without manual intervention. Deep Agent autonomously break down complex objectives, plan and execute multiple steps, use tools and knowledge, evaluate results, and refine their approach to deliver the desired outcome. Agent Studio builds, configures, and tests intelligent agents in a unified low-code workspace, enriched with models, tools, memory, and enterprise knowledge. Dynamic Planner transforms user prompts into fully structured, validated multi-agent workflows, instantly building or reusing agents on the fly. LLM Evaluation runs comparative tests across models for hallucination reduction, factuality, and reasoning, so you can pick the right LLM for mission-critical tasks. Fine-tuning tailors open source and local models using your proprietary enterprise data through PEFT and domain-specific tokenizers. Model compression applies patent-backed pruning and quantization to shrink model size without sacrificing quality, enabling high-performance execution even on edge devices. Marketplace lets you discover, publish, and clone pre-built agents and workflows, accelerating innovation through shared enterprise intelligence. Monitoring delivers real-time tracing, step-by-step reasoning logs. It also enforces enterprise guardrails for deterministic, safe, and transparent execution. To deliver GPU-accelerated enterprise-grade engineering AI, LTTS has partnered with NVIDIA. Through deep co-engineered integrations with NVIDIA NIM Nemo and NemoClaw, AgenticIQ automates YAML configuration pipelines for LoRa, QLoRa, and DORA strategies, unlocking optimized, high-throughput fine-tuning and inference for industrial AI. Deep tool integrations through MCP and API gateways extend these agents into real engineering and manufacturing functions. A powerful workflow builder then orchestrates multi-agent collaboration, driving autonomous execution with human-in-the-loop oversight for the decisions that matter most. AgenticIQ is an engineering-native platform that offers zero vendor lock-in, allowing for seamless deployment across cloud, on-premise, and edge environments. It enables instant creation using voice-to-agent builders and swarm intelligence to tackle complex engineering tasks, while ensuring trusted accuracy through a hybrid cognitive stack of LLMs and knowledge graphs, validated in a secure simulation sandbox. To expand your ecosystem, the platform features a built-in marketplace to natively publish and monetize domain-specific agents, all supported by patent-backed performance utilizing 4 patents in model fine-tuning and compression for optimal edge deployment. Move from experimental AI pilots to production-ready autonomous systems. Elevate your engineering intelligence, reduce rework, and scale autonomous execution with zero vendor lock-in. AgenticIQ by LTTS, engineering the future with intelligent agents.